In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to AI-powered video editing with Google Vids. Ever thought about creating a video that perfectly conveys your ideas but felt overwhelmed by the complexities of video editing software? Well, you're in for a surprise with Google Vids, a platform that leverages AI to simplify video creation, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of their experience level. First things first, navigate to Google Vids. This is the starting point of your video editing journey. As you land on the page, the platform invites you to sign in. Click on the Sign In button. Here you'll need to choose your Google account. It's a seamless process if you're already logged into your Google account on the same browser. Now that you're signed in, it's time to get down to business. Go to File. Here you'll find the option to create a new video. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on New Video prompts you to type in your topic or idea. This step is crucial as it helps the AI understand the direction of your video. Take a moment to think about what you want your video to convey. After entering your idea, click on Next. Now you're presented with an opportunity to shape your video's narrative. You will see an outline that the AI suggests based on the topic or idea you've entered. This outline is merely a starting point. You have full control to edit and tweak it to perfectly align with your vision. Add or remove sections, adjust the order, or refine the text to ensure it captures your message accurately. Remember, this outline will serve as the backbone of your video, guiding the AI in the content generation process. Once you're satisfied with the outline, proceed by clicking Next. It's now time to select a design. Google Vids offers a range of design templates to choose from. This selection will determine the look and feel of your video. Whether you're aiming for something sleek and professional, fun and vibrant, or anything in between, you'll find a design that fits the bill. Choose wisely, as this design will set the tone for your entire video. With your design selected, you're just one click away from bringing your video to life. Hit Create the Draft Video. At this stage, the AI takes over, crafting a video that aligns with the outline and design you've selected. It's like having your own personal video editor that works at the speed of thought. While the AI does its thing, this is a good moment to reflect on the content. Think about ways to enhance your video once the draft is ready. Consider adding your own voiceover, background music, or personal touches that make the video truly yours. The beauty of Google Vids is its collaborative nature, allowing you to refine and perfect the video until it meets your expectations. When the AI completes the draft, take your time to review it. You'll likely be amazed at how accurately the AI interpreted your outline and design choices to create a compelling video. However, don't be afraid to make adjustments. The edit feature within Google Vids is intuitive, making it easy to tweak the video until it's exactly as you envisioned. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an AI-powered video with Google Vids. From brainstorming the initial concept to refining the final product, Google Vids simplifies each step of the process, making video creation accessible to all. The platform's AI capabilities mean that anyone can produce high-quality videos without needing expert editing skills. Remember, video creation is an art form, and every artist needs the right tools. Google Vids provides those tools, allowing your ideas to come to life in ways you never thought possible. So dive in, experiment, and let your creativity flow. Who knows, your next video could be the one that captures hearts and minds, all thanks to the power of AI.